boy, is this a sticky situation? Yeah, I'll keep you posted. I'll leave that as last option for right now. But I appreciate it. Thank you. Because of the backup, it's got a bunch of dirt and it's not letting us do it. In 5 minutes. Yep. Five minutes. It went very well. You know, he got here and he managed to get us out, like I said, within 5 minutes or even just getting here. So thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
When you get back to the highway, you're going to have mud and crap on your tires or rims. You'll go down the up road and it could shake at certain speeds. And it's throwing off the balancing of your tires, the mud that's on your tires or rims. You need to go slow or it will flip off. And if it doesn't, you got to get to a car wash and wash it off really good. There's nothing wrong with your car.
Okay.
It's just shaking because it's throwing off the balancing. Okay.
Okay. I'll keep that in mind.